it's Nerf Elite here. This is a video, it's a sound effects test and an update. Let's start off with the sound effects. Alright, and now I'm the Raider. Alright. Sorry. Alright. Alright, so that was the sound effects test, and the reason I did that, well, of course the reason I did that was because it's a test, and those effects are probably going to be used in Operation Infiltrate Part 2. That will be coming out probably tomorrow, maybe Thursday. We're filming it tomorrow, so yeah, we'll probably get it up soon. And I'm thinking about doing a gun mod on the rapid fire tech. Let me show you. Yeah, that's my arsenal, by the way. I'm going to make it bolt action right there. Might be painting it black, well, most of it. I'm probably attaching a scope and sawing that off and putting a barrel extension, and it'll be more like a sniper because this thing, it shoots pretty hard. It's a pretty good gun. So yeah, and yeah, I think that's everything. See ya.